Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. Favorite time of the week, Friday, happy hour. Let us make a strawberry mint sparkler. Strawberries, simple syrup, freshly squeezed lime juice, club soda, ice, Tom Collins glass, and vodka. Let's make this. Grab your strawberries, about 5 of them, cut them up in slices. Then we're gonna do half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. It's a nice summer drink. Half an ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna put that into our shaker, and then we're gonna muddle it. Give this a good muddle until the strawberries are dissolved. Alright, once nicely muddled, I grow a mint plant on my window here. But you want to grab about 3 or 4 mint leaves. Now when you put the mint leaves in there, you don't want to over muddle them because mint gets really bitter. So you just want to give it a just a yarn shake. That is good. Put my equipment aside. Then we're gonna do 2.5 ounces of vodka. There we go. Then we're gonna put some ice into the shaker and some ice into a Tom Collins glass. Nice, tall, beautiful glass. Now I left some strawberries on the side for garnish. I'm gonna do strawberries and blueberries. They will look good. Close that. Give it a good shake until it's nice and chill. So for this, because we muddled the strawberry, you're gonna need a fine wire mesh. Grab that out. I think it should be ready. And we are gonna strain this into a Tom Collins glass over wire fine mesh. Smooth. That goes in there. Wipe out my mess. Looks beautiful. And to finish that, we're gonna top it up with club soda. Nice. That looks good. Ladies and gentlemen, strawberry mint sparkler, great summer cocktail. Looks beautiful, refreshing strawberry taste. Let's give it a smell. Let's give it a taste. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Like, subscribe, share. Have a great weekend.